Fabaceae family. Fabaceae family is also called bean family or pea family. Bean family or pea family. We discussed about the classification of Fabaceae. Class of Fabaceae dicotyledons. Dicotyledons characters are four. They are tap root system, reticulate venation of leaves, pentamerous flowers, seed or embryo contains two cotyledons. Next subclass polypetalae. Petals are free in position. They are arranged in the second whorls of the flower. Series calyciflorae. Perigynous flowers are placed in the calyciflorae. Perigynous flowers are shows of superior or of inferior ovary. Order Rosales. Marginal placentation of ovules present in the Rosales order. Family Leguminosae. Leg hemoglobin present in the root nodules or legume fruits are present in the family of Leguminosae. The Fabaceae Si sensu I2, and it classified into subfamilies. The Leguminosae family classified into subfamilies are Fabaceae Si sensu I2 classified into subfamilies. From that subfamilies, one of the subfamily is Papilionoideae. Papilionoideae. The subfamily Papilionoideae classified into Fabaceae SS sensu stricto. Sensu stricto. Fabaceae SS. In advanced classification, directly we called Fabaceae family. Here, class dicotyledons, subclass polypetalae, series calyciflorae, order Rosales, family Leguminosae. Leguminosae is also called Fabaceae Si sensu I2. The subfamily under Leguminosae Papilionoideae. The Papilionoideae is classified into Fabaceae SS sensu stricto. In advanced classification, the subfamily Papilionoideae is also called Fabaceae. Now, some plants from the Fabaceae family are Papilionoideae subfamily. Here, Tephrosia purpurea. Tephrosia purpurea, Vempali. Pterocarpus santalinus. Pterocarpus santalinus, redwood. Pterocarpus marsupium. Pterocarpus marsupium, Aegisa. Dalbergia latifolia. Dalbergia latifolia, Jittiregu. Dolichus lablab, bean. Arachis hypogea, groundnut. Arachis hypogea, groundnut. Pisum sativum, pea. Pisum sativum, pea. Kazanus kazan, red gram. Kazanus kazan, red gram. Cicer arietinum, Senaga. Cicer arietinum, Senaga. Vigna radiata, green gram. Vigna radiata, green gram. Crotalaria gentiana, Janumu. Crotalaria gentiana, Janumu. Glycine max, soya bean. Glycine max, soya bean. These are the major plants of the Fabaceae or Papilionoideae subfamily. Here it is. These are the true plants of Tephrosia purpurea, Vempali. Now we discussed about the vegetative characters, floral characters, and economic importance of Fabaceae family. The Papilionaidae have about 426 genera and 12,150 species distributed in tropical and temperate regions. In India, they are represented by 100 genera and 750 species. Now come to the habitat. Habitat mainly mesophytes. The developed Fabaceae plants are Papilionaidae subfamily plants are developed on the mesophytic region and the mesophytic environment. And comes to the habit. Herbs, Trigonella, Tephrosia plants belongs to herbs. Shrubs, Crotalaria plants belongs to shrubs. Twinning shrubs means dicotyledons. They are climber plants. Twinning shrubs, they called twinning shrubs. Tendril climbers, Pisum or Lathyrus. Tendril climbers. And trees, Pterocarpus. Means all types of habits are present in the Fabaceae family. Herbs are present like Trigonella and Tephrosia. Shrubs are present like Crotalaria. Twinning shrubs are present, they call Dolichos. Tendril climbers are present like Pisum, Lathyrus. Trees are present like Pterocarpus and Dalbergia. Then comes to the vegetative characters. The vegetative characters, first point is root system. In this root system, tap root system is present. The tap root system is present, the root system containing root nodules, which contains nitrogen fixing bacteria like rhizobium, which lead a symbiotic life with a plant, mean with host. The rhizobium bacteria mainly helps in fixation of nitrogen. So this type of nitrogen fixation is called biological nitrogen fixation done by the rhizobium bacteria. The fixed nitrogen received by plants, and at the same time plant provide nutrients to the rhizobium bacteria. This type of living life is called symbiotic life, symbiotic position. And next comes to the shoot. Shoot is aerial. It is the shoot part, aerial, erect, green in color, smooth surface or hairy surface. Herbaceous stems are present in the Tephrosia, Dolichos, and in Pisum. Woody shoots are present in the Pterocarpus, in Dalbergia. The shoots are cylindrical, mainly monopodial branching. From each node, only single branch is developed. And comes to the leaf. Leaf containing stipules called stipulate, petule, pedicellate means they are containing long stalk-like structure, leaf petule. Mainly compound leaves are present in the Tephrosia. Monopinnately compound leaves are present. That monopinnately compound leaves are containing more number of leaflets. The leaflets are in opposite manner or in alternate manner. The leaflets are in odd number. So this type of monopinnately compound leaves are also called heteromonopinnately compound leaf. The leaves shows dorsiventral. The leaflet shows dorsiventral lesions. Dorsal side completely green in color. and they are participated in the photosynthesis. Smooth margin, terminal apex, reticulate venation. And in Lathyrus, here it is, terminal leaflets. Terminal leaflets are modified into tendrils. Terminal leaflets are modified into tendrils. In the same plant, stipules modified into foliage leaf-like structure. Foliage leaf-like structure, they are prepared food by the photosynthesis in the Lathyrus odoratus, sweet pea. And comes to the Dolichos leaf. The Dolichos leaf containing trifoliate leaf-like structure. Trifoliate compound leaf-like structure. These all leaves are shows reticulate venation, and in Dolichos leaf surface containing hairy surface. Hairy surface in the Dolichos leaves. Now comes to the inflorescence. Usually racemose inflorescence, the inflorescence developed on the axillary part or terminal part of the shoots or branches. Each flower contain pedicel called peduncle. Due to aggregation of flowers on the peduncle, they form umbels-like structure or heads-like structure in some types of plants. Then comes to the flower. Flower is pedicellate, bracteate. Here it is, these are the bracts, bracteate, bracteolates, small green color parts also present, bracteolates. Complete flower. Complete flower means 4 major parts are present. The 4 major parts are calyx, corolla, androecium, gynoecium. These 4 major parts are present in the flower called complete flower. And zygomorphic, the flower cut into only one longitudinal section, it cleaves into 2 equal parts, called zygomorphic. Diclamidous, chlamydus means parient, they are arranged in the 2 orals. Outer oral green in color called calyx or sepal, inner orals are colorful called corolla or petals. Diclamidous, heteroclamidous, they can divide it into 2 colors, heteroclamidous. Pentamerous, pentamerous means 5 sepals, 5 petals are present, pentamerous. And perigynous flowers or hypogynous. Perigynous flowers means lateral side of ovary. Here it is, lateral side of ovary, calyx, corolla, androecium are developed. This type of development is called perigynous. The perigynous flower shows of superior or of inferior ovary. Of superior or of inferior ovary. And comes to the corolla. Here it is, corolla number 5. These are green in color. Gamosepalous, valvate aestivation. Sepals are 5, green in color, valvate aestivation, gamosepalous. Sepalous means, gamosepalous means sepals are fused with valvate aestivation. With valvate aestivation. Odd sepals present towards bracts. Odd sepal present towards bract side. And comes to the corolla. Corollas are 5, mean petals are 5. They are look like a papilionaceous structure. Papilionaceous means butterfly structure. Butterfly structure, petals are present in the papilionaceae. Papilionaceae means butterfly structures of petals present in the family called papilionaceous corolla. The papilionaceous corolla shows mainly 5 petals. The 5 petals are unequal. The 5 petals are unequal. One petal is large in size. One petal is large in size called standard petal or vexillum. Standard petal or vexillum. And 2 are medium petals. They are wings. They are wings. And two petals are look like a boat like structure. They called keel petals. They are fused. The large posterior petal is called standard petal or vexillum. The two lateral petals called wings or alae, and the two petals towards anterior, and they are fused. They look like a boat like structure called keel petals. These are arranged in descending imbricate position. Descending imbricate position. And keel petals are enclosed the essential organs. The standard petal partially enclose the wings, which in turn enclose the keel petals. This unique estivation is called descending imbricate estivation. Descending imbricate estivation. By this descending imbricate estivation, the petals look like a papilionaceous, mean butterfly like structure. So these petals are called papilionaceous corolla. Papilionaceous corolla. And comes to the androecium. Usually 10 stamens are present, 10 anthers are present. In 10 anthers, they are arranged in 9+1 arrangement in the Tephrosia pisum. 9 anthers are fused, 1 anther is single in position. This type of arrangement of anthers are called didepalous. Didepalous anthers are present in pisum in Tephrosia, and monodepalous anthers present in Crotalaria. Monodepalous anthers present in the Crotalaria and in Arachis. So each anther shows dithecus. The face towards inside. The face towards inside called inroads. The anthers are in basifixed position. Basifixed anthers. Anther dehiscence by the longitudinal dehiscence. The face towards inside called inroads. The pollen grains are in simple structure. Pollen grains are in simple structure. And comes to the gynoecium. Monocarpellary. Ovary usually unilocular, superior or half superior or half inferior. Ovules are belongs to orthotropous or campylotropous ovules. They are arranged on the two orals of the marginal placentation. Two rows on the marginal placentation. And short style. In some plants, long styles are present. On the terminal part, stigma is present. Lobed stigma is present. At lower part of ovary, nectary glands are present. So the nectary glands mainly helps in the insect pollination. And comes to the pollination. Here it is, the special pollination mechanism will occurs. The special pollination mechanism will occurs in the Fabaceae family. The special pollination mechanism is also called piston pollination mechanism. Piston pollination mechanism. Here during the pollination, banner mainly helps in attracting of insects. Attracted insects are landing on the wings. Mainly insects are attracted by the banner because the banner is large in size. It is attractive in color. Attractive in color, like in dark colors like yellow, pink, blue, white color are petals. The attracted banner is present in the Papilionaceae family flowers. Insects are attracted by the banner, and attracted insects are landing on the wings petal. If the insects are landing on the wings petal, They searching for nectary. They searching for nectary. During the searching of nectary, the insects are pressure on the wings, as well as the pressure occurs on the keel petals. By this pressure, keel petals are open and essential organs are comes out from the keels. During the collecting of nectary, insects collecting nectary from the lower part of ovary, during the collecting of nectary, anther released pollen grains. The pollen grains are attached with the abdomen of insects, and after collecting of nectary, the insects are take off from the flower, and the floral parts are comes to the same parts. The insects are landing on the same species but another flower. Same insects are attracted by the banner, landing on the keel petals, and the insects are collecting nectary from the lower part of ovary. During the collecting of nectary, they pressure on, means the insects pressure on the keels as well as on the wings. By this pressure, keel petals are open and the abdomen pollen grains are deposited on the stigma. The abdomen pollen grains are deposited on the stigma, means cross pollination will be over by the insects. Here it is the cross pollination done by the piston mechanism, by the pressure mechanism. Insects are landing on the wings, they pressure appear on the pressure appeal on the wings as well on the keel petals during the collecting of nectary. So by this pressure, keel petals are open. At the same time, essential organs are comes out from the keels. So this type of mechanism, pollination mechanism, is called piston mechanism pollination. Piston mechanism pollination will occurs in the Fabaceae family. And comes to the fruit. Here it is fruit, usually legume. Legume fruits are present, but in Arachis hypogea, like in groundnut, after fertilization, the stalk of the gynoecium means gynopore, grows into the soil and fruit formation takes place in the soil. This is called geocarpy. Geocarpy fruits are present in the Arachis hypogea. After fertilization, the stalk of gynoecium grows into the soil and fruit formation takes place in the soil. So this type of fruits are called geocarp fruit or geocarpy fruit. And the seed, dicotyledon, non-endospermic. Dicotyledon, non-endospermic. And comes to the floral formula. Here it is bracteate, these are the bracts. Bracteolates, these are the bracteoles. Zygomorphic, bisexual. K5, K5 is Gamocephalus. C, corollas are 5. They are arranged in 1 plus 2 plus 2. 1 is standard petal or vexillum. 2 are wings and 2 are keel petals. The keel petals are fused in position. A, androecium, 9 plus 1 or 1 plus 9. 1 means individual anther and 9 anthers are fused. This type of arrangement of anthers are called didipalous anthers. And G, monocarpellary. Monocarpellary, below the 1 or below the G1 line is given. It is hypogynous. Sometimes lateral part of 1 or lateral part of G1 line is given. The ovary belongs to half superior or half inferior ovary. So these are the floral formulas belongs to Fabaceae family. And comes to the economic importance. Economic importance of Fabaceae family. Plants used as food. The family contains mainly many food plants including Khazanus khazan, Pisum sativum, soya bean, Glycine max. These all plants are contain proteins. These are also called pulses family, like red gram, green gram, Bengal gram, black gram, pea. These all are containing high content or large amount of proteins, in the seeds. And plants used for oil, Arachis hypogaea and glycine, means soybean. These seeds are used for making of oils, cooking oils. And plant used ornamental purpose, Sesbania, grandifolia, Lathyrus odoratum, monosperma. These plants are developed or cultivated as a ornamental plants. And some plants containing timber, Chirocarpus and Dalbergia. Sesamum plant containing fibers. Here it is, fibers are developed in the Crotalaria gentiana. Crotalaria gentiana containing fibers, including some plants containing medicinal qualities. Arborous plants are mainly used in arborous plants. Leaves and roots are used in the semen content, increasing of semen content. And Crotalaria gentiana leaves are used as insecticidals. Crotalaria gentiana leaves are used insecticidal. These are the economic importance of the Fabaceae family. And total characters like floral characters, vegetative characters, economic important characters of the Fabaceae family.